Pixie, are you trying to get somebody to play with you? Trying to get somebody to play with you? What is it, Thor? Yep, gotta move around again. Pixie. Oh, you're so lazy. Lazy puppy. Oh, is that itchy spot? What are you doing now? What are you doing now? Just push him over. See, the girls just want to play. The girls are playing. Thor, he's just gonna sleep. He's just sleeping. Huh, Thor? Yeah. Oh, they're trying to get Thor to play. Hmm? She's the smallest one too. But she's got all this milk. Faith in the background here getting jealous. Be first. What is your problem? Get off the camera, dog. What? What's your problem? Are you jealous of the puppies? Okay. There he's stuck. Don't fall over. There we go. I guess puppy cuteness is over. Faith trying to hog all the attention. Bye, guys. Faith, what are you doing? You're after your toy. Jealous. There's Mama. What are you doing, Mama? Nope. Oh, there's Thor. He rolled back over. He got pushed over. He gives up. He gives up. The girls win.